Y'all, it's another throw on and go unit from Sensational. This one's super cute.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Have Big Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thanks so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Sensational Butta Lace collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Butta Unit 34 and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with HD lace. It also comes with a 5-inch deep HD lace parting space going right down the middle. It does come pre-plucked kind of, and it does come with baby hair, so I'm gonna just come in and show you guys the hairline in this one. So I feel like the hairline on this one is okay. It could be plucked out a little bit more. I'm not gonna really complain though, because that's something you can go in and customize yourself, but it is not really up to my standard personally. Like I said, it does come with the baby hairs. It did the little swoop situations. The density on it, this is all the hair to the front, so it is a very natural density. It's like 130%. The length on it is pretty long, you guys. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it comes below my boobs. This is definitely a long unit. The texture on this one is feeling like a slight yucky. I'm not feeling any silkiness with it. I'm not getting any tangling. I'm not getting any shedding. My hands are pretty much just gliding through. So the hair quality itself does feel pretty good. I did really like the fact that this one was a throw on and go. I did add a little bit of heat because I was getting some hump action going on the top. And then I did also go in with my wax stick just to try to adhere it down some more. But other than that, I feel like this one was super easy, definitely beginner friendly. The cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. As far as it being big head friendly, I'm not really sure about that. It's fitting my head pretty snug already, and I don't have the adjustable straps adjusted at all, so definitely keep in mind that even though this cap does have a little bit of stretch to it, if your head is on the larger size, this one could be a problem for you. This one does also go ear to ear, but as always, I don't really take advantage of that. You could go in and do a little sideburn situation if you wanted to, but I never really do that because that's not my bag, but you definitely do have that option with this unit. So let me just pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My only con is probably going to be I just wish the hairline was plucked a little bit more. Like I said, you can definitely go in and do that yourself, but I'm buying these units so I don't have to do all that extra stuff myself. But that's probably going to honestly be the only con that I have when it comes to this unit. My pros on this unit are, I think the hair quality itself feels really good. I love the fact that I wasn't getting any tangling or shedding, but definitely do note that, of course, this is a long synthetic unit, so the longer that you wear it, you're going to get that tangling, you're going to get that shedding. It just is what it is at that point. But for now, the hair quality itself feels really good. I like the curl pattern. I am noticing some slight layers going on. I like the density on this, even though I am a big hair don't care type of girl. I feel like if you like that natural type of vibe without wanting to feel tracks or anything like that, this is definitely going to be a good look. I do love the fact that it was a throw on and go. As a whole, I feel like this unit it's giving what it should be giving. It's doing what it should be doing. Like, I'm not mad at it, and I feel like if you guys picked it up, you won't be mad at it either. This is just an all-in-all safe, good, cute look, honestly, in my opinion. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.